Greetings, aviation enthusiasts. Welcome to another Clear Sky Explainer video. Have you ever pondered just how safe your flight truly is? Well, fasten your seatbelts because today we're delving into the mathematics behind aviation safety. When aircraft are still in the pre-production phase, they undergo rigorous testing to produce what's known as measured performance. However, those numbers are almost always superior to what the average aircraft will achieve once it's in service. To make this data more realistic, it is adjusted based on experiences from existing aircraft fleets. The result is something called gross performance. Imagine a normally distributed curve representing the performance of all airplanes in the fleet. Some planes perform better, some worse, but most cluster around this average. This is our gross performance. But gross performance alone isn't sufficient for public transport operations. Why? Because by definition, half the fleet won't meet these standards. This brings us to our next significant question. What constitutes an adequate safety margin? Here's where things become intriguing. We could make air travel supremely safe, but that would drive costs through the roof. Conversely, reducing safety margins to boost profits isn't an option either. That's where regulators come in, balancing safety and profitability. For large aircraft, the acceptable risk level is around 1 in a million. Indeed, the chance of a system failure followed by not meeting performance standards is set to be incredibly low. This standard is known as net performance, which is gross performance reduced by a safety margin. Now let's discuss the statistics. If an event is unlikely, such as an engine failure at takeoff, the difference between gross and net performance will be minimal. But for more common events, like a regular climb, the safety margin is larger. So planning to net performance standards keeps the risk of accidents low, but not zero. Even if all the correct techniques are followed, there's always a minuscule risk. And there you have it. The intricate balance of statistics and safety margins ensures your flight is as safe as it can be while keeping air travel affordable. Have questions or comments? Leave them below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more aviation insights. Until next time, happy flying.